New Serinity Crystal Colour launch just in time for Christmas. Let's introduce Aurum crystals for you. I want to show you these on a nail for some size reference. The first size we have in our samples is SS30. Now this doesn't often go on nails because of its size and relative depth. The next one up is the SS16. You'll notice these say 2088. That is also known as Zillion Rose cut crystals. These are very recognisably sparkly. Next up is the SS12, again Zillion Rose. And then we drop down to 2058 in the SS9s, and I've just realised I've gone a little bit wonky. Let me fix that real quick. So this different cut is known as Chatten Rose, and the smaller number of cuts on the crystal is simply because it is a smaller crystal, but the quality is still there. And last up we have the SS5 crystal. Not many colours go smaller than SS5, and then we have the 2304 6mm Aurum flatback crystal shape to show you as well. These can all be found on our website bluestreakcrystals.com.